computing power and memory becoming cheaper all the time, data has become easier to interpret and analyze. This in turn has led to a demand for novel visualizations of those results. One of the most intuitive methods is in an immersive 3D environment. Interaction is as natural as a point and click with a mouse, if somewhat difficult to create. It is worth the effort, however, because data takes on a new meaning with immersion. Instead of looking at 2D building plans, you can walk around a 3D house. Topography maps become obsolete when you can study the hills themselves.
Unfortunately, this interaction has its drawbacks. It is admittedly difficult to program in, and methods of interaction are limited. Our project, codenamed TablIVE, looks to expand this aspect of immersion. Currently, menuing in an interactive virtual environment, or IVE, must be done either in 3D space or placed on a wall of the environment. There are problems with each approach. A 3D menu remains in place once opened, forcing you to remember where it was, or risk having to find it later. A menu on the wall covers valuable screen real estate.
TablIVE, however, presents a third option. Place the menus on a tablet PC, and you will always be able to find and access them while leaving the visualization screens completely free. Our program, designed to allow cross-platform tablet support, gives programmers an API that they can use to design an interface and attach meaningful function, buttons, scroll bars, dials, and other interface elements.
Our design consists of two separate parts, an IVE side and a tablet side. The IVE side is built to run on the Linux operating system and sends updated images from the IVE to the tablet. In turn, the tablet application will receive any input by the user, interpret it, and transmit it to the IVE for execution. The two communicate via boost networking and the native Hydra wireless functionality.
In this example, we show how a user assigns an IP address to the virtual environment in order to communicate. Qt spinboxes allow you to quickly set the IP address to which the tablet connects. The IP of the IVE can be found with a simple ifconfig at command line. Here we have the options to display the menus on the tablet or display on the walls of the IVE, changed by a simple touch from the user. Under the Display tab, the application can show menus and streaming images from the IVE and gather user input. This input will then be sent back to the IVE to facilitate user interaction with the software.
Here we see an example of streaming video coming over to the tablet side from the IVE. Here you can see the data being received by the IVE side. It is receiving information from the tablet, such as heartbeat signals, which inform the IVE that the tablet is still functioning properly, and point clicks, which tell what the user is doing. Given the unique nature of immersive virtual environments, new methods of interaction will arise as the art of interfacing with these environments is mastered. TablIVE explores a novel approach, making 2D interaction customizable and streamlined. Thanks for watching. TablIVE was developed for the CS 426 Senior Projects course at the University of Nevada, Reno.